Hey guys, welcome to Math for Kids by a Kid. Today we're going to talk about scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way of writing numbers that are too large or too small to be written in decimal notation. Some examples of decimal notation are like this. So just the numbers themselves. So 0.00037 or 48,000 or 0.056. So they're just the numbers written with decimals. In scientific notation, all numbers are written in the form a times 10 to the power of n, where the exponent n is an integer and the coefficient a is greater than 1 or equal to 1 but less than 10. So I'll show you an example of a scientific notation. Let's say we have to write the scientific notation of the number 97,000. We're going to move this decimal point right after the 0. It's there, it's just not shown. And we're going to move it so that it's right in front of the 9 and in between the 9 and 7. And we're going to count how many times the decimal place moves to get to that spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to write 9.7 times 10 to the power of 4 because the decimal place moved 4 spaces to the left to get to where it's at. And this is scientific notation of 97,000. So in this example, 9.7 is the coefficient, and it's in between 1 and 10. So it doesn't have to be a whole number, it could be a decimal, just as long as it's greater than or equal to 1, and at the same time less than 10. So 9.7 is the coefficient, and the 10 is the constant, and 4 is the exponent. Now let's look at how to write the scientific notation of a number that's less than 1. So 0.00053. And this time we're going to move the decimal place to the right instead of the left. And we're going to do it until it gets right in front of the 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write 5.3 times 10 to the power of negative 4. So not positive 4, it's negative 4 because we're moving the decimal place to the right. It's still an integer, but it's just negative. Now for 0.00053, if we were to write this out in expanded form, it would simply look like 5.3 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So remember, 5.3 times 10 to the power of negative 4. We imagine this as a fraction. We have to move the 10 to the power of negative 4 at the bottom. So you're left with 5.3 times 1 over 10 to the power of 4. And that's what this is. And so they're all equal together. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.